Hey everybody, Robert Crow here, Realtor with Remax Alliance, and today I'm looking forward to taking you on a walking tour of my new listing at 2424 Sunstone Drive in the Sunstone neighborhood here in Fort Collins, Colorado. Here we are, and always nice to start with some of the landscaping, and this is one of my favorite features of the home, the 3-car garage. Phenomenal. Not only a 3-car garage, but also you saw there's additional parking for an RV on the side. The driveway on this home was just repoured. They finished it yesterday. So that's a great additional feature for this property. And as we come inside, I can tell you this is a 3-bed, 3-bath, 3-car garage, tri-level home built in 1988. It's 1,786 square feet finished, plus the garage, and then also there's a concreted crawl space in the lower level, which I'll point out to you here in a bit. So right off the front door, we've got that mudroom, drop zone area, and the door off to our 3-car. This is the formal living, lots of laminate flooring in this house. It's in excellent condition. And as you can see, it's a lovely, lovely home. Great energy, double pane windows. We're continuing here with this formal living area. Plenty of space. You can actually see out the window them pouring the concrete. This is the kitchen, under-mounted sink. They've switched out the hardware there as well. There's a debate as to whether this is granite or quartz. I think it's granite, but lovely hard surface. And we have all matching appliances, which of course stay. Cabinets in great shape. I know the owner's been rubbing those down with stain to make them gleam before we put the house on the market. And then that was the casual dining area. Before we head into my favorite part of the home, this is the rec room in that lower level of the tri-level, and it's huge. I've been in lots of tri-levels throughout northern Colorado in my real estate career, and for the size of this home, this area is certainly the biggest that I've seen. Very, very, very spacious. You'll see off there to the right, there's a little office study nook as well, which is phenomenal. Built-in bookcases. You could very easily turn this into a 4th bedroom, especially since there is a 3/4 bath just to the side. And then see that little door right there? I'm pointing to it. That is the concrete crawl space. There is tons of square footage under there. Nice dry square footage for you to store any of your holiday items. You name it, you can put it under there. All right, here we are on the upper level. Those laminate floors continue, and then we have a guest bath immediately off to the right. That's a full bathroom, so there's a tub and a shower in there. And then this is the first of our guest rooms. There we are. To give you an idea on size, that's a full-size bed in there, so plenty of room in here, lots of nice light. This is the master, and it's very cute. Ceiling fan, the colors are lovely in here. You're going to see that there's actually 2 separate closets, that one there, and then in a second here you'll see the other one. So whoever's got the most clothes gets to choose which closet, right? In my house, that would be my wife. Anyhow, little 3/4 bath off the master suite. This is great because, again, in lots of tri-levels, you don't often see the owner's suite have their own private bath. You typically see all 3 bedrooms sharing the bath. So that's a lovely feature. Look at all that light coming in. Yep, that's the second guest room. So again, 3 bedrooms in this property, then that study office area in the lower level, which if you wanted to, you could drywall up and turn that into a 4th bedroom. All right, here we are out back. We've got a nice privacy fence there. They've taken great care of the backyard. Nice, clean, simple. Little poured concrete patio, plenty of room down the side of this house as well. You know, if you want to put a shed back here. And the raised garden beds. And I think they're growing tomatoes right now. All righty, everybody. 2424 Sunstone Drive in the Sunstone neighborhood in the southeast corner of Fort Collins. 1,786 square feet, 3-bed, 3-bath, that 3-car garage, and the RV parking. Built in 1988, and there's no HOA. I'm Robert Crow, Realtor with Remax Alliance. Have a smashing day.